Welcome. In front of me is LENOVO ThinkBook 14s, and in this video I will tell you what to do if your device's display is frozen. So to begin, we have to determine whether your display is frozen fully or partially. So the first thing you have to do is try and use the string button together with else button and delete simultaneously. So press them all together, and if something happens and you can see this screen, then it means that your device is locked or frozen partially, and in such case you just have to open Task Manager right here, then find the application that's causing your device to freeze, right click and select End Task. And this way you can unfreeze your device. But if your device has been frozen all this time, then in order to unfreeze it, you can try and turn it off by holding the power key for a while. The power key is located on the right edge of your PC. So just hold it down and wait until the light goes off near your power button. And then, once it does, wait for a couple of seconds and press the power button once again. And if after that your device didn't start turning on, then the only thing that you can do in such case is to remove the charging cable and wait for your device to discharge. It might take hours, but afterwards your device will unfreeze, and once you plug the charging cable back in, you'll be able to start your device again. And that's it for this video. I hope it helped you. If it did, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.